Thank you for joining me on YouTube today. If you're here looking for information on the bankruptcy court system in Connecticut, you came to the right spot. All you got to do is, as you see there, this is the bottom of my webpage, my website, bankruptcy.blog. Just scroll down to the bottom. While you're there, check out all the different areas, all the different subjects that I talk about regarding personal finances, including bankruptcy. But to look for Connecticut or any other state, all you got to do is click that link. Once you click that link, it will take you to your state, in this case, Connecticut, and you'll see all the information. Here you can see that I'm active on Twitter. So if you ever want to reach out to me on Twitter, now you know how. And all the information you need is listed there. So if you're looking for information on the judges, their staff, or even courthouse locations, just check out my website and you'll find it all there. If you have any questions or comments, reach out to me, put a comment down in the section down below, and I'll be more than happy to respond to you. In the meantime, be safe and good luck with your bankruptcy case. I hope it all works out. Take care.